I'm Danny Aguilar. This is my personality presentation for this class, communications. At the college, I run track. Specifically, I do hurdles, and more specifically, 400-meter hurdles. Um, Two things about me are two. I got two dogs. Um, One is a boxer. His name is Rocky. The one a corgi named Coda. This semester I'm taking sports psychology to help me out with my major that is kinesiology, which I use, which I plan on graduating with a bachelor's relatively soon to help train and do like physical development in people, and preferably somewhere in Florida and move over there and like literally have my own house built from the ground up, like quite literally. And then from one thing that I don't really share all too often is that I'm a middle child. And that's pretty much it.